In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The goal here is to enhance your site's visibility by optimizing it for search engines. And we'll accomplish this in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is the central hub where you'll take care of all the settings and optimizations you'll need for your website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that to enter your credentials and access your WordPress dashboard. Inside your WordPress dashboard, we're going to focus on a very powerful tool: plugins. Plugins in WordPress are like apps for your site. They provide additional features without requiring you to write a single line of code. In the menu on the left side of your screen, scroll until you find the Plugins option and click on it. This panel will show you all the plugins you currently have installed and give you the opportunity to add more. Our main player today is the all-in-one SEO plugin. So, the next thing you'll need to do is find the Add Plugin button, usually located at the top of the Plugins window. Click on this button, and it will take you to a page where you can search for new plugins to install. In the search bar, type All-in-One SEO. This plugin is a comprehensive tool designed specifically to simplify your SEO setup, and it gives you an easy way to incorporate keywords effectively. Once the search results appear, locate the All-in-One SEO plugin in the list. Next to the plugin, you should see an Install button. Click there, and WordPress will begin installing the plugin onto your site. Installation shouldn't take more than a minute. Once the Install button transforms into an Activate button, click on it to turn the plugin on. Activating it is crucial because it's only after activation that you can start using all the features that the plugin offers. To wrap it all up, now that your all-in-one SEO plugin is active, you'll see it listed under the Plugins section. Here, you can configure various settings and enter the keywords relevant to your content, making it accessible to search engines like Google. By optimizing your content with these strategic keywords, you're essentially speaking Google's language, which helps your site come up higher in search results. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to make your WordPress website more visible in just a few easy steps. Thanks for tuning in, and happy optimizing.